I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard, Create Integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select Action Flowlu. Give here an API key and company name. So please visit the Flowlu API key. Portal setting. Copy the company name and paste it here. API setting. Create. Give here a meaningful name. Give all permission by checking the box. Save. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Choose account type. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Flowlu site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Flowlu site. Thanks for watching.